वेलकम टू वेल्स क्विक टिप्स एंड ट्रिक कुकिंग चॅनल. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर मानता तुमी सगळीं बरी आसली साऊद आनी भलायकेन. तर आयज हांव तुमकां दाखयता आमचें गोवन नाचण्याचें दोदोल. So today I'm going to show you all how to make Goan Dodol with ragi flour. You can do with rice flour, but today I have already video of with rice flour. Today I'm going to show you all with Nachni, that is millets, ragi, and you have to take 1 cup of millet, and you can get powder also, but if you can grind it to a fine powder at home, it's well and good. So I am going to take 1 cup of this and grind it to fine powder. Then we need cashew nuts, 2 cups of thick coconut juice and 2 cups of thin coconut juice. Then these are around 9 to 10 of pyramids of Goan Jaggery, गोडात आमचे गोंयचे गोड. So it is palm jaggery, some cardamom powder, salt to taste, little bit, and cashew nuts, and little bit of clarified butter, that is ghee if needed. That's it. So let's start. So we'll mix this and our ragi powder which I have kept ready. Nasnyache, and we'll mix in this. Mix all together nicely with the thin juice. Then we'll add our cardamom powder, little bit of salt, and we'll strain this so there is no lumps. Okay. Now take a big pan, add this and this, and add a jaggery and let it soak for a few minutes so it becomes soft. And then we take a glass bowl, you can take anything whatever you have, and grease it with some ghee and keep aside. Now we add a thick juice also. So now we'll keep this on the gas on low flame and melt all this and bring it to a boil, and then we have to cook this till it leaves the side of the pan. So now it's on the gas. तर हे बरे भाशेन शिजोवंक जाय टील हे सगळे गोड आमचे मेल्ट जातले. तुमच्यान पावडरी करूं येता, पूण हितून ते ऑटोमॅटीक मेल्ट जातले आनी मागीर तितून इल्लीशी गी लास्ट मिनट जाय जाल्यार सोडूंक जाय आनी मागीर आमचे दोदोल रेडी जातले. Okay, so now the jaggery is melted, and the jaggery which I have used, you can buy it in Mapsa, and it is small size. But if you are taking a big size, so now small size, that is why I have taken 9 of that, and if you are taking a big one, then it is 5. So depending, you have to check, taste it and check it sweetness, the salt, everything you will have to check this. Okay. Now we will add our broken cashew nuts also and keep. So let them also get this cooked. And later we will keep some for garnishing. We will add 1 teaspoon of clarified butter, that is ghee. Mix this nicely and cook this till it leaves the sides of the pan. But you have to mix. As I always says, all the Goan dishes are mixing and mixing and mixing. So here is our dodol ready. It's leaving the sides of the pan, and so it's almost ready, and we will put off the gas and it's done. Okay. And now let's pour this in the yeast. So pour all this. So let it cool down, and I will just smooth it with this. You can add some cashew nuts on top, and it's done. I will show you the result later. Here is a dodol ready. Now we will show you after cutting. So let's cut this. Now it's come clean. And here is our Goan Nasnyache Dodol is ready to serve and to enjoy. So you can make small pieces, and this is amazing. It is come very clean, tasty also, and healthy also. Thank you so much. देव बरें करूं. मानता तुमकां हें सगळ्यांक आवडटलें आनी हें तुमी करून खातलीं. Thank you.
And here it is, yummy and tasty Goan Dodol. Enjoy.